What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm gonna share 3 things that you can do as a parent to make life just a little bit easier for you. If you've seen yesterday's vlog, you guys can see that I was in full mommy mode. I took the kids shopping, I took them to the park, and I also played basketball with them. So today is Sunday and I'm feeling it. On top of that, it's rainy. So I'm feeling like the lazy mom right now. So I'm gonna show you 3 things that I do when I'm just needing to chill and relax just a little bit and make my life a little bit easier so I don't get pushed over the edge. If you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, you gotta go back to yesterday's video and check it out. If you're already a part of our family, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome. We're happy to have you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family today. Hey, okay, we're lit over here, throwing the vlogs out for you guys. Let's get into this video so you can make your life just a little bit easier. The first thing that I would include into my routine to make my life easier is to get food that's already pre-prepared. This is one of the kids' favorite pre-made meals. They love this meat and sauce lasagna from Walmart. So this is something that I'm including in my routine today. I'm just gonna unbox it and pop it in the oven. Serve it up with some garlic bread. I normally try to make everything from scratch when I cook, but I even bought the pre-made garlic bread from the bakery and Walmart. I'm just gonna pop this in the oven and call it a day. It's super easy, super simple. You don't gotta get in the kitchen and slave behind dishes and all of that. Just pop it in the oven and go about your business. This is gonna make your life easier. And for the moms that cook, if you know, you know. Those pre-made dinners come in handy all the time. So the second thing that you can include in your routine to make your life just a little bit easier is relaxing. I want to call it relaxing with a twist. And this is for my parents that have stuff to do, okay? So you want to relax, but at the same time you can think about something that you can do that you need to get done, whether it's answering emails, spending time with your kids, or folding clothes. In this scenario, I need to get laundry done. So while I'm sitting out on my couch watching my favorite video or church or a movie, I can be folding up clothes while I'm doing that. I promise, it's not as bad as you think it is. So I like to call that relaxing with a twist. When you got things to do, but you want to relax, you can sit down and fold your clothes. And that's what I'm about to do right now because I'm very tired, but I have things to do. That you can do to make your life easier as a parent is to simply ask for help. It does not matter who you ask for help. Asking your kids, your significant other, a friend, whoever may be reliable to you is who you want to ask. Ask for help. They might not do it the way you want it done, but just getting that help can make things a lot easier for you. So in this case, I have my kids. Okay, sometimes when I'm overwhelmed, depending on the task, I will ask my kids to help me. In some cases, it may be the dishes where I'm overwhelmed, I'm tired, and to make my life easier, I'm gonna ask my son to wash those dishes for me and then give him a reward, or maybe not, you know what I mean? Sometimes the kids' bathroom might be a mess and I might ask my daughter, hey, can you go and clean that bathroom sink off or pick up the towels off the bathroom floor? If you have younger kids, I have my 5-year-olds where they have toys everywhere. And to make my life easier, instead of me picking up those toys, I can call my girls and I can say, girls, can you help mommy, please? Can you pick up the toys for me? They're gonna get a good feeling from helping. They're gonna know what it's like to help someone. So do not be afraid to ask for help. Talia! Mommy's really tired today. Can you guys help me, please? Can you pick up the blocks that you guys made a mess with?
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me.
Yeah.
Who can do it the fastest? Oh, wow. You guys are fast. Thank you so much, girls. You helped mommy a lot today. You made my day easier. Thank you. Thank you, Lele. Now, those are 3 things that you can include in your daily routine if you need to make your life easier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below something that you do that I may be able to include in my routine to make my life easier as a parent. Have a great day and thanks for watching.